Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and hard disk drive assembly. Removal: remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the top cover. Lift the middle frame off of the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the middle frame into position on the top cover. Replace the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the top cover.